Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play free games on Nintendo Switch. So what you need to do is go to Nintendo eShop. Let's select the profile. From here we want to go to search at the top. Then let's go to the right. And then we need to scroll down and select filtered search, like so. Now over here we can go to price range over here, which should be not specified, but we can select this option and then choose free download. And then let's go to the right side and press search. And then over here we'll find a bunch of different games that should be free to download. And simply, if you want to add something, then select the game, then go to free download, press it. Once again, select free download. And then we will see the information that the download status can be checked on the home menu. So let's go back to the home menu. And now over here in the main menu at the bottom of the game, we can see a bar that is loading. Once it fills in, then we should be able to play the game. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.